sneak up, guys, to where that sound was. Coming at a different angle, so. Hope to God I'm getting this on film. Whatever it is, it's in this fucking dip here, man. Guys, don't try this shit at home, man. What the fuck? I shouldn't run, but I'm fucking freaking out. Shit. I want to capture this shit on video, man. Oh, fucking woodpecker scared the fuck out of me. What the fuck? Guys, let me know if you see any fucking thing. Sorry for the shakiness. I just grabbed my camera and came over here. Fuck. There's a woodpecker over this way. Something's over here. Keep a lookout over here, guys. It's watching me, man.